Oh, snap, it's showtime. Boom. I hope it shows it in reverse. If it doesn't, we got that winter break camp starting soon, but we also have a show that's about to take place here at Village Arts. And if you guys don't know, I teach breaking, breakdancing, BreakFit to the youth and people in this community. And today is a showcase in the fair.
Hey, buddy.
And we're hitting the stage. As always, shout out Linoleum, Bump Box, and this is a pre-game. Gotta wear the colorful shoes, man. Again, thank you guys for always supporting what I do. Even if you're just viewing this and swiping through, that helps a lot. Stay tuned. We're gonna knock the rest of this year out, 2025, because 2026 is gonna be more of the same. It's in a bigger space. All right, showtime.
Today? Wow, work off energy. How are you guys doing today? All right. Now every time I do this, they're ready. Breakdancing has been something, and ever since the Olympics, we have always found new grounds to break.
Oh, is this better? Say less. To all my kids, can I get a 6-7? Now, real quick, I've been doing. Hold on now. I've been breaking for since the womb, and with my abilities from magazines, commercials, movies, Guinness Book of Records, I happened to stumble across Village Arts 4 years about, and I've been blessed to bless these little ones. So I hope you enjoy what your kids have brought to the table, because they do this with all of their energy, and you know they got energy. That's why they're here. So without that being said and more, let's show you what we got. Y'all ready?
We're gonna dance on this mat, so you guys can spread out.